Happy New Year 2024. I am Arif, your cloud learning journey partner. In today's video, I'm gonna discuss a very important topic, and this video would be the very first video of 2024. So I really want to make it special. So today I'm gonna assume that I'm a fresh graduate, or I am trying to do a career transition in IT. So as a beginner, how would I hunt my first IT job? What would be my steps? What would be my roadmap? And what strategy I'm gonna follow to land a job in IT? So the thing is that whenever we are coming out of college, we are fresh graduate, or we're trying to do a career transition, the most important question that always pops in our mind, that is how would I land my first job? Because it's always challenging, because starting is always the hardest part. So in today's video, I will help you with that. So I will give you a roadmap that you can follow to land your first IT job in 2024. So before starting the video, I just want to talk about myself. Well, I'm Arif. I do have more than 8 years of experience in cloud computing and cybersecurity. I hold multiple certification in AWS, Azure, Google Cloud. Besides that, I also hold CISSP and CSSP certification. Well, this channel is all about cloud computing, cybersecurity, and career-related tips to IT. So if you're interested in this field, this channel is definitely for you. I'm gonna upload a tons of videos related to this topic. So please, guys, like and subscribe to my channel so you can see my upcoming videos. So without further delay, let's start the job hunting. So at the very beginning of this video, first I'm gonna talk about the current job market scenario in 2024 for IT. So we all know that IT is a booming market. Whatever company you are talking about, there should be an IT department, because nowadays all the data are in digital format. The IT job market is a huge potential, has a huge potential right now, and I can talk specifically for cloud computing and cybersecurity, because these are my preferred field, and there are tons of jobs in there, thousands of new jobs in 2024. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna log into my LinkedIn profile, and from there we will look into the jobs in a real time, so that you will have a better understanding like how crazy is the IT job market and how much you're gonna get paid in IT as a cloud engineer or cybersecurity expert. So I have logged into my LinkedIn profile. So here you can see my LinkedIn profile name, Arif Alom. If you want to connect with me on LinkedIn, please send me a request, and I will definitely add you as my friend on LinkedIn. All right, so here first I'm gonna go to this job section, so we can look into the current job market of IT. And here under the search bar, I'm gonna just type cloud as a first keyword. So cloud engineer, let's go with the cloud engineer. So here these are the jobs that are currently available in the cloud market right now. So there are a lot of jobs as a cloud engineer, and if we want to have a little peek of the salary range here for the cloud engineer, it's very easy to get paid near around like 140 to 160k. Even you don't have to be an expert, you can be a beginner or mid-level. So this is the salary range for that one. So it's pretty crazy out here. So if you know cloud and cybersecurity, you are almost set. So cause the reason is there, cause in today's current job market, there are a lot of new job openings for IT in cloud computing, cybersecurity, and other fields too, but the skilled applicants are very less. So that's why if you are a fresh graduate in computer science, or you are trying to do a career transition in IT, you are definitely making a good choice, and you have to be very happy about it, because you made a decision. So now it's just you have to develop the skill set, and once you have it, you have your jobs, and you can earn quite a sum of money from here. So that's the cloud computing job market in here that I'm showing you. And now if I look into the cybersecurity, so let me search for it. So for cybersecurity here, again, you can see there are a lot of jobs. It's like thousands, 3,000 of jobs of related to cybersecurity. And the salary range is even crazier in cybersecurity. For this one, if you can look into it, this one is paying around 205 to 235k per year. Just imagine. as a cloud security engineer. So it's a combination of security and cloud. If you have this skill set, then you kind of make quite a bit of money. So the potentiality, the earning potentiality is huge in cloud computing, in cybersecurity, in general any IT field. So the job market is really booming in 2024 for IT. So if I were you, I would be really excited after seeing those salary range, the number of jobs that are available in IT in 2024. This is really good, the really good numbers. So after that, now I would do one more thing. Like after exploring the market of IT jobs, now the second step for me would be to explore my strength and my preferred job roles. This is very important because in IT there are hundreds of job roles. There are different sort of. You could be a network engineer, you could be a cloud engineer, you could be cybersecurity expert, you could be a programmer, you could be a data science. So there are like a lot of things going on in IT. So first, if I were new in IT field, so I just recently graduated, so I would try to remember like all the courses that I have finished so far, which courses interested me the most, and in which course I did an excellent job. I got good grades, and for which specific topic I feel more confident to talk about and more interested to learn more. That's very important. And even if I want to do a career transition, I had previously a different job, now I want to do a career transition, then I will explore at least at least 5 to 10 recent hot IT topics like cloud, cybersecurity, data science, AI. I will explore all of this, and then I will try to question myself which specific topic interests me the most. This is very very crucial, because in IT it's more like that you will spend half of your day, more than that, to learn about it, to explore it, to do stuff with it. So you really have to be passionate, and you just you just can't just count the number of hours that you're spending. You have to be genuinely interested. So for that, we have to explore ourselves. We have to make sure that which specific skill set or a specific topic in IT interests us the most, and from there we can know exactly like how and which path I need to move forward. Here I can share a cool story of mine. So after graduating from a computer science degree program, my bachelor's, then I was exploring few topics, and all of a sudden cloud computing, I also explored the cloud computing. And when I started exploring it, I just fall in love with cloud computing. Like, it is so powerful. It can solve many problems. You can be a network engineer, you could be a DevOps engineer, you could be cloud security, you could be expert, you could be a cloud solutions architect. So there are multiple hats I can wear as a cloud engineer. So that amazed me, and then I started to explore it. I started to learn about it, and within few months I got my certification because I was really into it. So the reason I'm sharing this story is that once you find what you like, then your life become easy. Then you can totally focus on that particular path, and if you are good at that part, you will definitely land your job. So this is how I would start my job hunting process. First, exploring myself, my skill set, and aligning it with the topics, the IT topics that are relevant in today's job market. All right, so after finding the specific career path in IT, then the next step, what I do is to spend as much time as I can to learn the topic, to understand it, to get some certification about that particular topic. So once I was assured that I want to learn cloud computing, I want to get a job as a cloud engineer, then I started to explore it. And then you have to come up with a complete roadmap, like for any topic that you found interesting. For that, you need to make sure like how you can learn that. You have to collect all the materials, course materials, or the sources that you're going to explore to learn this particular topic. And then once you have started your learning process, you have to also do the hands-on practice. And a very powerful tool to be good in any particular IT topic is to get the certification in that particular topic. That what actually what I did. So once you started exploring the certification path for any particular IT topic, then you will have a very clear roadmap. Like you can start small, then you can go for the medium range certification, then for the professional certification. If I talk about my experience, so I started to explore the cloud computing, and the first certification I took was the AWS Solutions Architect Associate certification. That was associate certification. So that was my starting point. So after exploring the associate certification, it helped me to build a very strong base about cloud computing, and I became more and more curious about cloud computing. Then I explored the solutions architect professional certification. After achieving the professional certification, then I explored the security realm of cloud computing. Then I achieved the AWS security specialist certification, and ultimately at the very final I went for the CCSP certification, which is the industry leader of cloud security certification. So the reason why I'm talking about is that once you start small, once you have first certification, you will develop that confidence in you that will help you to go for farther, more and more, and eventually you will be very best in that particular field, trust me. So that's the point in here. So you have to spend time, you have to learn, you have to create a roadmap. And here, one more thing I'm going to tell you is that motivation is good, it's great, but consistency is better. Because if you're consistent, then every day you're going to make a little bit progress, and eventually in a few months, in a few years, you will see the change. You will see like the way you talk, the way you sit for the interviews. You will be amazed like how much knowledge you have acquired. So for that, always try to learn. So once I had my certification and the knowledge that is required for that particular job, IT job role, then the next step would be the preparation phase. So now I'm ready to hunt for my job. So the first thing I would do to land my first IT job is I will make sure I do have a killer LinkedIn profile. Trust me guys, so far all the jobs that I have applied for and all the jobs that I got, all are from LinkedIn. LinkedIn is an amazing platform. From there you can see all the latest jobs, and from there you can also learn a lot. From LinkedIn you can join multiple communities related to your specific field. From there you can use it as a newsletter. So every morning you can wake up and you can go through your LinkedIn, you can see all the posts there. So LinkedIn is better than any other social platform, because LinkedIn, here you are getting the knowledge in return of your time. So it's an amazing thing. So try to make sure you have a killer LinkedIn profile. Then write your CV very well. So in the CV you should mention all the technologies that you have learned, all the topics that you have covered, all the knowledge depth that you have for that particular topic. And whenever you're applying for jobs, whenever I will apply for job, if I have to start to hunt the first job, so I will make sure the job description that I was going through, I will try to do cross-mapping in between the job description and my CV, and it should have the similar keywords so that the recruiter will understand that this particular person has the skill set to do the job. And I will also definitely add my certification, because it's a hard-earned certification, so it will help me to stand out than others. Because here I'm not just saying in a piece of paper that I know this stuff. I also have a proof, because I did my hard work, I set for the certification, and I finally got it. So it's also a very good strategy. And in LinkedIn I will try to add the industry leaders, the people who are very good at this particular field that I'm trying to apply for. So from there we can learn a lot from their profile. Then also we would know the current trend, and also we can approach them. Hey, I have this skill set, I have this certification, is there any openings in your organization? So always we have to be active, we have to look for it. And if we follow all of these things, I am pretty sure there is no other way than landing a job in IT. It is a process. It's not just a luck, it's a process. If you follow this process, you will definitely get your reward. So these are the 3 easy steps that I would follow as a beginner to land a job in IT in 2024. So just remember one thing, that is you really have to be consistent. You have to do the hard work. You have to go for certification. You have to make sure your LinkedIn profile is well maintained. Your CV is well written. If you follow the whole process, then definitely you will get your reward. And never feel discouraged whenever you face any rejection. That means you are a little bit closer to your goal. So if you are persistent, you are putting your effort, you will see the result. And once you start your career in IT, there is no way back. So from there, you will just upgrade with more knowledge, with more hands-on experience. Your earning potential will be more and more. So I think this is a great idea to start your career in 2024 in IT, because now we know exactly the whole world is dominated by the IT industry. If you even see the top 10 biggest companies in the world, you will see the IT companies are there. So it's not a denying fact that IT will rule the world from now on. So it's better to start early. So if you guys have any questions or any confusions related to IT career transition or starting a career in IT as a fresh graduate, please let me know in this comment section, and I'll help you to clarify all of your doubts. I would really like to thank you guys for watching my videos. It means a lot. Our community is growing. The main reason, the main purpose, the vision of this channel is to make sure that we are helping each other, and we will help each other grow as a better IT professional. So if you really found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel so that you can see my upcoming videos. If you want me to cover any specific topic related to IT, please let me know under this comment section. I will cover that for you. Well, that's all for today. Have a great, wonderful day.